Summer rains and warm temperatures bring more than just lush greenery. They also bring pesky mosquitoes. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies thrive in temperatures above 80 degrees? These buzzing invaders aren't just annoying. They can also carry diseases that put your family at risk. But don't worry, we've got a natural solution that worked wonders for us, and we can't wait to share it with you. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments, what's the most annoying insect you encounter at home? Now, let's talk about a natural recipe that will help you say goodbye to mosquitoes and ants for good. While mosquitoes may be annoying, they do play an important role in nature. So instead of eliminating them entirely, why not use a natural method to keep them away from your home and garden? Mosquitoes and flies can disrupt your peace, especially on warm days or during bedtime, but not anymore. Here's a simple, effective recipe that you can make at home. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, 1 glass of water. Why these ingredients? Vinegar has a strong smell that mosquitoes and ants detest. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a natural insecticide with antiseptic properties. Bay leaves have a unique odor that not only deters insects but also prevents them from reproducing. Here's how to make it. 1. Start by boiling a glass of water in a pot. 2. Add the cloves and bay leaves, letting them simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Once boiled, let the mixture cool down. 4. Strain the liquid, add half a cup of white vinegar and mix well. 5. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and it's ready to use. This all-natural mixture is perfect for spraying on dining tables, countertops, dishwashers, sofas, and even near windows. Not only does it smell pleasant, but it also keeps mosquitoes at bay. So why not give this recipe a try? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. And remember, for more natural tips and tricks, subscribe to All Natural Official. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Together we can make our homes a mosquito-free sanctuary.